Good afternoon, everyone. Excited to be here on the eve of Antigua's 43rd year of independence, and particularly proud to be standing at Moon Gate, which is a wholly grown Antiguan company. Everything's been done here in-house and in the nation that we're all so proud to call home and to be citizens of. We're standing beside the sewage treatment plant, the generator house, the high voltage rooms, the laundry, the reverse osmosis house, cisterns, and then the cabins on top are for human resources, sales, marketing and accounts, and this is essentially the core of the back of house. So here on my right is the location of phase 2, an additional 24 plunge pool suites which will face east into Half Moon Bay and will look over the reception hall, all with sea views, all with plunge pools in two-story buildings. Looking up the hill at building number 5, which since we spoke last month is now being roofed. The tilers are laying the roof shingles. We are cast out on building 7, penthouse floor, and building block. So the next step there is the roof, and we're forming up the floor on building 6 for casting before the public holiday, and then again it's on to the roof. Immediately behind me, reception building already backfilled and getting ready for the columns, lintels and roof construction. So an exciting month, and look forward to speaking with you at the end of November and showing you our great progress that we'll achieve then. Thank you again, and everyone stay well, keep safe.